Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today I'm going to be drawing this super cute dolphin squishmallow for you. I just love this squishmallow because the color is just so pretty, right? And of course, he's adorable. His name is Perry, and look at his little tail right here. And I just love squishing him because they're squishmallows, right? They're like a marshmallow that you can squish. So, oh! And not only do I have him, I have, let me show you, his little brother. I have the other size of him. They're just so pretty, I could not resist. So hopefully you guys will love my drawing and think that my drawing is as cute as these squishmallows here. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and let's get started. To draw this cute dolphin, we're going to first start by drawing the body. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big curve for the top of its head. It's nice around all the way over. And then from there, we're going to start to bring it down. We're going to come down. And then we're going to start to round it in. So it's like my usual dumpling shape that I give to all my characters, but it's just longer. So then from there, I'm going to start to bring it in and connect it towards the bottom. So the bottom is going to be a little bit flatter. And connect. So something like that. And then from there, let's come up right here in the center and I'm just going to give a little fin right here, just an indication. So it's not too big because we're not drawing a shark, it is a dolphin, right? Okay, then from there, let's bring this cute dolphin to life. I'm going to come about in this area right here and I'm going to draw the eyes. So about right here, add a circle. And same thing on the other side. And then let's make them draw so cute eyes. So come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. Okay, so I have the eyes in. Let's come in between the eyes and we're going to draw a sweet little curve over smile right in between and cap it off. And let's come above the eye. I'm going to add a little curve above each eye. It's very lightly. Okay, and then from there, let's come to the bottom. We're going to draw a big curve. So kind of like for the belly area. So I'm going to start, say, about right here. And I'm just going to go all the way to my center, so about right there. That's going to be my highest point, and then bring it down. And then now, let's make it look like a dolphin. Let's add some fins right here. So on the side, I'm going to come and bring down a curve, round it off, and bring it back in. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to give myself some points. So I know approximately where to stop. So same right there. Once again, bring it down and up. Okay, so then now let's make it, let's add a tail right here. So towards the bottom, I'm going to come to my center, so about right there. Give myself a point, and I'm going to come over, round it off, and bring it back in. So same thing on this side. Round it off a little bit and bring it back in. Now it looks like a dolphin, right? Okay, so then from there I'm going to add a little heart right here on the side. So make it my Draw So Cute Dolphin from Squishmallow. And we're pretty much done with the drawing, so let's go ahead and color it. So there, hope you cuties loved my drawing of this cute little dolphin from Squishmallows. And I can't wait to show you more of them and draw more of them for you, because you guys know I love Squishmallows so much. And this dolphin right here, I think he belongs to this new series that Squishmallow has called the Sea Life Squad. And so there's a bunch of them that I got that I just have to show to you because they're super cute. So look out for them. So say bye-bye, Perry. Thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.